welcome to the cookout. Back at it again. Thriving and thriving. Life and changing. Apparently, there's a Lord of the Rings anime. I don't care if it. We're going to anime Lord of the Rings. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Voting boy. Step 1. HTML elements have an opening and closing tag with content. Here is the basic syntax. Example code. Opening tag, content, closing. Okay. The closing tag always a forward slash. First element you will learn about is the H1 element. The H1 element, the heading element for the example code. H1, this is a main heading. Change the text of the H1 element below or hello world to cat photo app. Watch the change in the browser preview. You are done. Press the check your button. Congratulations, your code passes. Hit your code to be. I'd like. Oh, bro, this is lit. Bro, oh my god. Step 2. The H1 through H6 heading elements are used to signify the importance of content below them. Lower the number, the higher the importance. H2 elements have less importance. Example code. H1 most important heading element. 2 second most important heading element. H3 third most important heading element. 4 fourth most important heading element. H5 fifth most important heading element. H6 least important heading element. Only use one H1 element per page and place lower importance heading below higher importance. Only use one H1 element per page and place lower importance headings below higher importance headings. Below the H1 element, add an H2 element. This text, cat photo. Simple enough, young bull. Check your code. Congratulations, your code passes. Kool-Aid Man says, oh yeah. HTML body. Step 3. The P element is used to create a paragraph of text on websites. Create a P element below your H2 element if it following text. See more cat photos in a gallery. Congratulations, your code passes. Entire level number 9,000, dog. Y'all see this? Y'all see this, bro? What's my phone bed? Oh my gosh. Got my dog. Ah! Got my phone. I'm gonna pull mad stuff tonight. I gotta get ready. Excuse me, y'all. Gotta leave. Oh, gosh. Commenting allows you to leave messages affecting the browsers. It also allows you to make code inactive. Comment in HTML starts with arrow bracket, exclamation point, dash dash. Contains any number of lines text that ends with dash dash. Arrow back. Greater than. Greater than. Here's an example of a comment with the to do move h1. Example to do remove. Add a comment above the p element text. Do add a link cat photo. HTML5 has some elements. Step 5. These elements make your HTML easier to read, help with search engine. Main element is used to represent content, body of content inside the main parts of. The main element is used to represent the main content of the body of the document. Content inside the main element to the document and should not be repeated in other parts of the document. Main H1 most important content document. P is a paragraph. Some more important content. Main. The main element is used to represent the main content body of the HTML document. Content inside the main element should be unique to the document and not be repeated in other parts of it. As it helps our search engine, these elements make your HTML easier to read and help with. Identify the main section of the page by adding the main opening or the H1 element and the main closing tag after the P element. Congratulations, you go past this submitted code. Step 6. In the previous step, you put the H1, H2 comment, P elements inside the main element. This is called nesting. Nested elements should be placed 2 spaces further to the right. This spacing is called indentation. It is used to make HTML easier to read. Yeah. Step 6. Previous step, you put the H1, H2 comment P elements inside the main element. This is called nesting. Put elements inside of the main element. Nested elements should be placed 2 spaces further to the right of the element they are nested in. This spacing is called indentation. It is used to make HTML. Here's an example of nesting. Main Here's the nesting right here. H1 element, H1 element, H2 element, common are indented. Spaces more main element. Well, use the space bar on the keyboard to add 2 more spaces in front of the P elements. It is indented properly. Congratulations, hell of a song. It's probably one of the best beats ever made. I don't want to rap over this, but I want to rap over this and Video me on. Step 6. You can add images to your website using IMG element. IMG elements have an opening tag without a closing tag. Element without a closing tag is a void element. Step 7. You can add images to your website by using the IMG element. IMG elements have an opening tag without a closing tag. Element without a closing tag is known as a void element. Add an IMG element below to the P element, and at this point no image will show up in the below the P element. Add an IMG element below the P. Sorry, your code does not pass. Try. Your IMG element does not have a closing. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Congratulations, you. Yo, what's up, August? I'm good, bro. How you doing? How you doing on this fine evening? How'd the crocheting go, by the way? Step 8. HTML attributes are special words used inside the opening tag of an element to control the element. The src attribute image element specifies the image's URL image is located. Where the image is located. Here is an example of an image element src attribute pointing to the code. Example: image src inside the existing image element. Add a src attribute to this URL. My code isn't run. Oh. We're getting there. Oh. Inside it. That's the whole thing. What's missing? Oh, is it because I didn't have it inside of quotation? Does that say that in there? It is a mention quotations. Good not, but now I know. I was a cat. Well, after I left your live, I did go to hey, but I kept messing up, so I dropped it. Got geeked instead, bro. You got, bro. You and the geeking, dog. Careful though. You don't want to build a habit of that. Getting geeked whenever you are frustrated. Because then every time you get frustrated, you're gonna look to get geeked. One of the best things you can do when you're frustrated, homie, persevere. Then you build a habit, persevering. Peace. Which is gonna help you sauce the game. Yo. Okay, step 9. All IMG elements should have an alt attribute. Alt attributes text is used for screen readers to improve accessibility and display if the image fails to. Here is an example of an IMG element with an alt attribute. Example code: image cat.j alt equals cat. Inside an image element, add alt attribute with the text a cute orange cat laying on its back. Space and hit alt. Oh my. A cute orange cat lying on its back. Fire. Yeah. But I'm gonna try it again because her birthday is coming up quickly. But I was low-key tweaking while I was geeked. I kept laughing. I bet you were tweaking, bro. You were geeked. Geeking. Yo, you said it, bro. Keep in mind what I said, bro. That's all I gotta say. Just keep in mind what I said. Step 10. You can link. Yo, you see this cat, bro? I'm making a cat website right now. That's what this this tutorial has me building. I'm building a cat website. This is a really sick. I like how they do code. This is way better than the coding thing I've ever done. Cause it's like it's literally building me a project instead of just doing exercises is cool, but like I like the fact that I'm building something. Very smart. Step 10. You can link to another page with the anchor A element. Here's an example linking to https .org. Example A href equals yes. Add an anchor element after the paragraph that links to https. Go up. So here's the thing. Didn't explain this. But I know that A element requires, I'm assuming, this. Ooh, distraction. Or if I get a job for this website, I will donate. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, will mind what you. I also played Lego Batman while geek last. It was a newer version though. I like the one you played. Oh, you probably could play new Lego Batman too. Something like I got one. The links text is placed between opening and closing tags. Anchor element. Here's an example of a link to link with the text. Oh. Add the anchor text link to cat picture. The anchor element. Oh, that's what that's for. Congratulations, your code passes. Hit your code. Pass with flying color. Step 12. You can run text. Think. You can turn, bro. You can run. Bro, that was the dyslexia kick. Hold you. Yo, and today I was playing Detroit Become Human today, bro. So you put me on to Detroit Be Human through Corey Kenshin, and Corey Kenshin's playthrough was crazy of Detroit Be Human. I actually watched a lot of it, bro. I think I almost got to the end. step 12, you can turn any text into a link, such as text inside of a P element. Example code. I think that you can turn any text into a link, such as text inside of P element. I think we can. Great. D. I think okay. I think A element. In the text of your P element, turn the words cat photos link, adding opening and closing anchor a tag around these words. Then set the href attribute. Cat photo. I think I understand how to do this, bro. It's actually tricky, dog. August is getting tricky, dog. Getting tricky, bro. But you know, I'm gonna figure it out. I got the power of these fire beats with. Sorry, your code doesn't pass. Keep. After nesting the anchor A element, the element content browser should be. Oh. Text inside your anchor element. Extra leading, trailing one. Only space. Anchor text should be cat and. That means this needs. Bro, oh my gosh. I did it. And today I was playing, okay, I love Corey's gameplay of Detroit Become Human. Yeah, bro, this draw's a movie, bro. He did a great job. Step 13. Now Now that text cat photos inside the P element link, you don't need the second link below the P element. Delete the entire anchor element below the element. There is no spoon. Hey. 14% done building this website. And we had nachos for dinner today and some guava. Guava? You had a guava. You had guava? A guava pastry, bro. How? Explain. I've never heard of this. Step 14. To open links in a new tab, you can use target attribute anchor element. Target attribute specifies where to open the link document. Let's reread this. Step 14. To open links in a new tab, you can use the target attribute on the anchor A element. The target attribute specifies where to open the document. Target equals underscore blank opens link document new tab. Here is the basic syntax for an A element target attribute. Okay. Oh, these are okay. Add a target attribute with the value underscore blank to anchor A element opening tag so that the link opens tab. Oh, it is right. Oh, good. Haha. Need to keep these colors. Congratulations, your code passes. Oh, bunk. 20% done this cat photo website. Yeah, we did make them. They were store-bought, but I wasn't sure about them at first, but they grew on me. Also, let me tell you what was on my nachos. I'm listening. What's on your nacho? That fit. My code. I wrote this. Yep, like 7 lines. Step 15. In previous steps, you used an anchor element to turn text in. Other types of content can also be turned to a link wrapping it. Here is an example of turning an image into example code. Step 15. Previous steps you used an anchor element to turn text into a link. Other types of content can also be turned, wrapping it. Here is an example of turning an image into. Step 15. Previous steps you used an anchor element to turn text into. Other types of content can also be turned, wrapping it so the photo itself can be turned. That's what I'm hearing. Here's an example of turning an image into a link. Called it. Example code. ahref equals example link image search image JPEG alt cat. Turn the image into a link by surrounding it necessary element tags. Issue anchor href. Layered some chips, ground turkey, shredded cheddar cheese, cheese sauce, bacon, salsa, jalapeno, sour cream. They were yummy. I'm glad you enjoyed, dog. Sounds yummy. Also, about the guava pastries, it was filled with some guava jelly and shit. That was interesting. I'm curious. Guava tastes great as a drink. An interesting taste, but still good. That was my first time trying something guava related. Bro, you gotta just get guava juice up, dog. Guava juice straight up just be hitting, dog. I'd be drinking that, bro. That's a delicacy. Theoretically, it should work. Theoretically. Oh my god. It did. Congratulations, your code passes. All I really did was Step 16. Before adding any new content, you should make use of a section element. Separate the cat photos content from the future content. Section element is used to define sections of the document, such as chapters, headers, footers, or any other section of the document. Is a semantic element that helps with SEO and accessibility. Yo, that was my. I have to try it one day. I keep saying message retracted. Like, did you write something and then deleted it? Or did YouTube do it? Section is used to define the sections in a document. such as chapters, headers, footers, and any other sections of the document. It is a semantic element that helps with SEO and accessibility. Example: section, H2 section title, section content, section. Take your H2 comment, P, anchor, A elements, nest them in a section element. I did it, yeah. Congratulations, your code passes. Submit your code to continue down the rabbit hole. Go. It's time to add a new section. Add a second section below the existing section. Step 17. It is time to add a new section. Add second section, existing section out. Y'all heard him. Step 18. Within the second section, add a new H2L text. Congratulations. Go past this. You're better believe it. But what did you eat today? Bro, the day I had I didn't have breakfast. Oh my gosh, I saw about this. The first time I ate was I had for dinner is I had a burger my dad made. I had a cheese quesadilla. I got two different empanadas in front of me right now. I got a buffalo chicken empanada, and then I got another empanada. I don't know what it is. Figure that out. Then I got a Parmesan slice of pizza and a buffalo slice. I was like, I'm gonna treat myself. I think I ate a Hershey's candy something. No, I deleted it if I mess up. Oh, okay. And you didn't even ask if I wanted any. Hey, bro, I still got more. I still got more. Is that what we doing now? Nah, it's not what we doing now. I told you I got four empanadas right in front of me. You know what I'm saying? The question just hadn't been asked yet. The question has been. So, $1. Pull up. Step 19. You add a lower rank heading page. Apply that. Subsection. After the H2 element, second section element, add a H3. Yes. I get that right? Oh, first try. Congratulations, your code passes. Hit your code to feel the need for. Yeah, some of these things don't match it. My code, bro. See this? See this, bro? Wait for me to make it right here. Oh no. I'm happy to make it down. Learn by doing, bro, instead of just like doing. Yes, live eat that buffalo chicken one, bro. I get dogs in the mail right now. You get it? Did you get it? To create an unordered list of items, you can use the UL element. After the H3 element with the things cats love text, add an unordered list UL element. Note that nothing will be displayed at the. Create an unordered list of items. Element with the cats love text. Add an unordered. After. By after. Let's go my first cut. It said element, not. Bro, I did it, huh? Step 21. LI element is used to create list item, ordered, unordered. Here is an example of list item. Simple code. The LI element is used to create a list item, ordered or. Oh, here is an example of list item in an unordered. Yup. Can I have that cat? Yeah, bro. Yes, you can. Yes, you can have that. I really like this. I like this program. I like this program way more than I like all the other things I've been doing. And this is how you know it's fire. You know it's fire because they're actually having me build a website completely for free. Like, my first introduction to learning how to use the language was not like basics of how to use the language. It was like, nah, bro, let's build this website. Like, you just jump right into it. And some people might not like that. I love that. Bro. First time you learn other language, game itself, like, bro. Yeah, you're definitely a visual learner, but it's okay. Cause same, bro. For real, give me like a book. I'd be like, yo. I mean, I can follow along. Don't get me wrong. Following along works for me too, but like, I like this is a gamified experience. But I like the fact that all the lines of code I've written haven't just like disappeared. Like, they're all right here, all right above. I could see all, like, I was prompted to write these things, but I wrote them. I'm understanding how to build a website. It's better to work like this instead of like, this was its own separate things. See where I can. Feel extremely confident on it. I can't wait to build this website, learn that skill, keep learning C++, apply that to the music. I'm telling you, August, like, you're gonna, bro, I'm telling you, you're gonna see something fire. I'm about to make something. And guess what? Why are you guessing? I'm keeping. Step 21. The li element is used to create a item in an ordered or unordered. Here is an example of items. So okay. In the ul element, s3 list items. This really does sound like actually, like, I made this song and I'm kind of looking like how much. I mean, GG was the one who told me. It sounded like 7. Interesting. Laser pointers frustrate cats because they catch it. They do like it, but it frustrates them. They can't catch it. Fall into it. Good way to get the jump. Good though. by drawing play session. Congratulations, your code passes. Oh, look at this. Cat photo at cat photos, more cat photos, gallery, cat list, cat things, cats. Okay. This cat's love, catnip, laser pointer, Anya. Hey, wait, I'm just realizing you never played Kiss. Kiss. Wait, hold on. Got to jog my memory. But guessing it. Guess what I'm using these skills to make. What do you think I'm gonna make with all these skills on? I do know I'm just. Better cool math website. Cool math. What is that? An actual. Yeah, that John came right up. Cool math game. Actually found. Get into the lock to it. Fire beat. Duck click. Collapse it. Castle is called. That's a coyote finish. They got business games? Boba Simulator. Craft swords and shit. Bro, Mini Metro looks fire. These games look fire, I'm gonna go. When you were playing Minecraft, I asked you to play Kiss, but since it almost time, said you would play it next time. There was no next time. Alright, yeah, okay, I got you. Don't know what you don't know what cool math is? Oh my god, I grew up on that. I grew up on Crazy Monkey Games, dog. Or addicting games. Crazy Monkey Games or addicting? Either or. But Penguin. Apes, IO. Extract, cut, ship. Yeah, Kiss. Play Kiss. Alright. So, as I said, I do gotta go, but put a note in that, bro. Kiss will be played during the next cookout. I swear. Swear on it. I swear on it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be there, though. Next cookout will be Sunday. Won't play until you're there. Once again, we have come to the end. Look out. Much love for media. Oh my. It was a pleasure indeed. I shall be back again Sunday. You know, 9 p.m. Sunday. First. Yep, I'll be back. I'll be saucing. I'll be around. One time. Hope y'all have a good night. Hope y'all have a good morning. And I hope y'all have a good day. It was a pleasure. I am grateful. Each and every one of you. We keep grinding, bro. We're gonna keep flossing and balling. We're gonna keep growing too. I'm really enjoying this, bro. Like, I'm doing this coding stuff during the cookout is probably one of the best ideas I ever had. I'm glad that you're enjoying it too, August. Okay. Thank you, Pounds. But I had a great night, and I'll be looking forward to next time. But I hope you have a good rest of your night. Yo, bro. Good rest of your night too, home. Peace and love, y'all. Stay in your bag, and until next.